Greetings, good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with you for the daily analysis of the EURUSD currency pair on April 10th. We're on the last trading day of this week, and throughout this week, we've seen that the price of this currency pair has started an upward movement. Now, with more than a 1.75% increase, the price is trading in a weekly BPR zone.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
By examining the daily time frame, we can see that immediately after the start of military conflicts in the Middle East, and simultaneously with the rise in oil prices, the US dollar strengthened and this downward movement occurred in this currency pair. After witnessing the sharpest drop in price, the EURUSD reacted to a daily order block, and following this reaction, we saw the price rebound upwards. We are now finishing the 6th week since the start of the military conflicts, and with the growth recorded this week, the price is trading only 0.4% lower than before the conflicts began. We are now reviewing the economic calendar. As you can see, there haven't been any impactful news events for the euro this week. The most important reports this week have been related to the US dollar, and just an hour ago we had the CPI reports. All three published CPI figures came in lower than forecasted, which is negative for the dollar. We are now reviewing the currency strength chart for the past week. Here we can see that the announcement of a ceasefire between Iran and the United States led to a sharp weakening of the dollar. Also on the daily chart, we can observe that at the beginning of the day, the dollar was in a better position compared to the euro, but currently, the euro has shown more strength than the dollar and is trading in a better condition. We are now reviewing the 4-hour time frame. Here we can see that yesterday, after the price entered its own 4-hour FVG zone, it moved upward from this area. In this upward movement, the price was unable to close above its previous high, so we can consider this area as the current resistance ahead of the price. Given the weakening we have seen in the dollar index, we can expect this upward movement in the EURUSD to continue, and we will consider the next target ahead of the price to be the 4-hour FVG zone and the price of 1.1746. By examining the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the area where the price has been reacting over the past 2 days is a low time frame FVG. After the release of the CPI report and the weakening of the dollar, we are now seeing that the price is currently breaking through this area strongly. As mentioned, under the current conditions, we can consider this initiated upward movement as likely to continue. However, in addition to the CPI report, the most important factor affecting the price of this currency pair will be the status of negotiations between Iran and the United States. The meetings that will be held between these two countries in the coming days could determine the next movement path of this currency pair. Wishing you success and profits.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.